All right, level 1.
Uptown Swing.
Charleston, Maddie.
Peter.
We reviewed kickaways, and everyone did it well today. I feel like we finally turned it on. So like it was a little bit here before, and this vibe with the legs, and we said turn your bodies, and everyone looked awesome. It like fixed so much. We turn it, we turn around, then turning is easy. Hey, hey, bop, bop. That looked so good. So make sure to keep that going. Then we worked on 20s Charleston. 20s Charleston is here, bop, 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 bop. We can be here. Closed position. You can keep your arms more still here. If you got a little opposition, that's great. Remember, not like this. That's not the way. Straight would be better. And a little bit opposition, top to bottom, would be great. The transitions we had is we have side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I use this rock step, get my follower in front. Then I use this middle step, 5, 6, 7, to get my follower back. You just mix it up there a whole bunch. Y'all did a great job with that, and I hope to see you next time.